friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to create a blog in your smartphone. Through blog, you can turn your passions into profits. Now, I think you all know what's a blog. A blog is just a place where you can post your passions or your talents or something, and that all the world can see your passion, and there you will get profit from it. Now, first of all, let's look how we can start or how we can create a blog. First of all, open the Chrome, then type blogger.com, then click on sign in at the top right. Now they will ask to continue to Blogger using your email ID and password. I am going to give my email ID and password. Okay. Now, since I have already created one, I am going to show you how to create a new blog. First of all, they will ask to choose a name for your blog. So this is the title that will be displayed at the top of your blog. I am going to give it as Tech Companion as my channel's name. Okay. Now click on next, then the address. I am going to give it as Tech Companion 020. Okay. Now click on save. Now the blog is created. Now let's see how we can add a post. Since I have no post here, I am going to add a post. Click on the plus sign, and of course we can have a title for the post. I am going to give it as how to create a blog using your smartphone. Okay, nice, isn't it? Now here I have already selected some text. I am not going to type it anyway. I am simply going to paste it. Now here it's the way in which we can start a blog in easy 5 steps. Now let's look at how we can change the size, font, color, etc. Click on the font and we can size the font as you like. First of all, in order we need to select the alt text and click on your favorite font and the text, whether it is smallest, small, normal. I am going to make it little medium. Okay. Now I am going to make it bold. No problem. Or you can make it italics either. Or I am going to use the font color as red. I like it anyway. Now I am going to make it as yellow. Okay, no problem. Now here we have our blog. Now I think I need to include a video in my blog. How to include a video? No problem. Click on the 3 vertical dots, then click on the video option, and I am going to upload it from YouTube. Okay, no problem. I am going to search a video that shows how to create a blog using your smartphone. Okay. I have a list of videos and I'm going to select one of these. I'm going to select it, and okay, it has been pasted here. No problem that this happens to be here. I'm going to cancel it. Okay. Now here I have made some changes, and the changes will be automatically saved to your blog. Now I want to see its preview. Now let's check out the preview at the top right and to preview the post. Okay, it look like this. Wow, fantastic, isn't it? I like this anyway. Now I'm going to publish it. Click on the publish and they ask to confirm. I'm going to confirm it. Okay. Now our post has been confirmed, and now let's view our blog. Click on the 3 vertical dots and click on view blog. Now, wow. For more description, I am going to view it in detail. I have the steps, and under this I have the video. Wow, I like this. Now I am going back to my editing, and here I think I want to change its layout and to change the number of pages. No problem, there are options for all these. There's option to view our stats, nothing but the viewers, and there are all type of analytics. Now I'm going to look the comments. I have no comments anyway. I'm going to earnings, pages and layout. What's the earnings? They asked me to create an AdSense account. Now I will show how to create an AdSense account and earn money through your blog in my next video. I hope that you will definitely subscribe my channel to watch my upcoming videos. Now click on the layout option. Here we have the options to change the layout. I'm not going to change it anyway. I'm going to change the theme designer. I'm going to change the image. No problem, let be this one itself. I'm going to change the gadgets. Okay, I'm going back to my blog. Wait till it comes. Okay, now let's look at how we can change the theme of the blog. Here we have the options to change the theme. I'm not going to take this one. Okay, now I am going to check something different. Okay, this one is nice. I'm going to select this one and then click on apply option. Here we have the options to apply the selected one. I have applied it to my blog. Okay, now let's look what happens. Okay, now let's look at how a blog works. Look at how a blog appears. Okay, this is how our blog looks like. The tech companion with its title and with its first post, that how to create a blog using your smartphone. Now we have many gadgets here. I think the gadgets can easily be added as you wish. I need not to explain one by one. I will help you to find where you will find the gadgets. It will be visible in the layout tab. So here under the navigation and header, you have the options to add gadgets as your wish. There are gadgets to search this blog, follow by mail, and there are more gadgets. So we can add one by one. We can add a image gadget, link list, test, blog, logo, etc. And finally, after you have added the gadgets, you can view your blog, and it will be live with its title Tech Companion 2020 or Tech Companion 020.blogspot.com. It will be live in the web. So I think after creating a nice blog, You may share its link in the comment box so that I can know that many of you have tried. I hope that you all like my video. Please like, share and subscribe, and so that you will get more my videos and have fun till that. Let's see in my next video. Thank you all.